Hello and welcome to a new lesson. We will learn how to view or check the status of any service using SystemCTL. Okay, let us say that we want to check the status of SSH service. So type SystemCTL status. After that, type the service name and the unit type. So let's type SSHD, which is the service name, dot and the unit type, which is service. Okay, let's press enter to check the status of SSHD service. Okay, as you see here, the SSHD service is loaded and it is enabled. Enabled here means that the SSHD service starts automatically when system boot. Also, from the status of SSHD service, you can see that the SSHD service is active and running. You can see some information about SSH service from here. As you see, failed password for root. It seems here that someone typed a wrong password. Also, as you see, the full line is not shown. And to show the full line, we will add the -l option. So let's type the command again, which is systemctl status sshd.service, and let's add the -l option. Now press enter. As you see now, we can see the full line: failed password for root from 192.168.8.50. This log information will help you a lot. Okay, let's check another service status, but first let me clear the screen. So I will type clear and press enter. Now let's check the Apache web server status. So let's type systemctl status httpd.service and press enter. As you see, the httpd service is inactive, which means that Apache web server is not running. Also, the httpd service is disabled, which means that httpd service will not start when the system boot. Okay, we have seen how to check the status of any service on our system, and by that we get to the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in next lesson.